Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a collab with our YouTube friend Morgan Christine, and I'm going to go ahead and let her self-introduce.
Hello, I am Morgan Christine from the channel Morgan Christine. I do cleaning, cooking, organizing, baking, hauls. I do it all on my channel, but I mainly like to clean. I am a wife and also I am a mama of two.
So guys, after you're done watching my video, make sure that you go and head over to Morgan Christine's video to get more cleaning motivation.
When I shut my feelings out, you look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us.
Right here guys, you can see Junior, he was getting fussy because he wanted to eat, so I needed to start cooking for him.
Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper.
I made Junior some chicken patties quickly that I had already previously made, and I had just frozen them, so they're cooking right there on the grill.
There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
Finally, Junior was eating, and I put on some music, and we started cleaning the rest of the kitchen.
There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on
I love having flowers around the house, and on this particular day Jorge had brought me some, so I decided I'd arrange them with you guys. This is one of my favorite parts of having roses or getting roses from him. I love putting them all together and arranging them so that they look nice and put them on the countertop.
You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Let you down. All my melodies, take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. No one else will let you down.
That's it, guys. The flowers are finally arranged. Now I'm just going to pick up my mess and place the flowers on the countertop. That's pretty much all we have for this video. Make sure that you check out Morgan Christine's video after this one and let her know that you're coming from our channel. Thank you.